Welcome you all, Department of Collegiate Education's Digital Learning class. I am Ashok Kannad, Assistant Professor, Government First Grade College, Savalgi, affiliated to Rani Chennamma University, Belgaum, Karnataka. So this video prepared for BA third semester Basic English course on confusion words. Let us we learn confusing words through a small story. Before we have to learn the importance of the confusion words. So English language has a lots of confusing words. They either look alike, sound alike, or sometimes they look and sound alike, but they have a completely different meanings. Some other words look and sound different but are similar in meaning. Sometimes one is confused to determine the correct words in a given context. So hence the knowledge of commonly confused words is very essential. Here is a wonderful story for you, but the problem is that you have to identify the correct words for each homophones. That means there are so many confusing words used which we have the same pronunciation but the different spelling and different meanings too. Before that, we will see some examples of the confusion words. So for example, here means listen the sound. HEAR here means listen the sound. Here 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 means place. Next, right, RIGST, right means true or right side. Right, WRITE, right means writing. Desert means dryland. DESERT, desert means dryland. Desert, DESSERT, desert means sweet dead. So these are the confusion words where we find difficulty by using. So we will study confusion words. So read the story carefully and identify the confusion words and rewrite them in the same paragraph. So there is a story. A long ago, there, THEIR, there lived. So there is a difference there and lived a Brahmana. Though he was very, very, very poor, yet he led a happy and contented life with his family. He had a wife and three lovely, the spelling LOVELY, lovely is right, lovely daughters, whom he used to TO2, not TO2, to admire a lot. He took care of all his family needs. CKNEEDS, needs, not needs. Needs as well. Needs means NEEDS. Needs is the right word. So then, once the Brahmana fell very ill in a few days, not DHE days, DYDAYS days. He became very weak. The spelling weak, WEEK, weak, not weak but weak, WAWEAK, weak. Soon he breathed his last. He breathed his last. The Brahman's wife and daughters were crying loudly. Hearing the voice, see the spelling voice, VICE, no, VOICE is the right form. Voice, the neighbors came to the Brahman's house and promised that they will, see the spelling, will, WHEEL, will, not will, WILL is right, will help her by, BUY, not by, but by, BY, all way. So from that day, the Brahman's widow, wood, not not W double O D, not wood, wood, WOULD, wood. Go, door, spelling DOER, door, 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 to door. To get some, not some spelling, SUM, some, SOME, some. Which one is right? SOME. Some food for, see, for, FOUR, for, not for, FOR, for her family. The kind neighbors always gave her whatever she, not SEEC, but SHEC needed. Meanwhile, the Brahmana had now taken birth as a golden swan. He lived in a beautiful blue, BLEW, wrong, BLUE is right, blue lake, not lack, 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 not lack, LAKE, lake. Swan thought to find, CFINED, find, not find, 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 find out how his family was living after his death. So not eat, it flew to the village. There he saw his wife begging, not begging, 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 begging for, not for, FORE, for food at the neighbor's doorstep. The swan felt very sad, SAID, not said, sad, SAD, sad. It sit on the roof on the house. One day, see the one spelling, WON, not WON, one ONE is right. One of his daughter one of his daughter saw, SEW, not SEW, saw, SAW, saw the golden swan and said, SAISHADA, said, SAID, said is right, to her mother to catch him. His wife tried to catch, but he said that he was her husband and no, he was born as a golden swan. So he also promised to give one OWN, own, no own, ONE, one is right, golden feather every day. So, not SHOW, so SO is right, that she can sell, not CELL, sell, SELL, sell is right, sell it right, and get necessary things for them. Thus, a golden swan saved, not SHAVED, but SAVE, saved his family from poverty, and they lived very happily. So, in this small beautiful story, we understand, we confused through the many words, but the thing is that we have to understand the confusion of words. So here I used the right word in bracket, where other words are the confusion words. So here in recapitulations, we understand the confusions words are the words that pronounce are the same but have different meaning and different spelling. Many words in English language are commonly misused because they sound similar, yet they have a different spelling and meaning. Knowledge of confusing words are very essential to use in the sentences. And thank you for watching this video. We meet the next session.